March 10th?
11th.
11th. March 11th. Daylight savings?
Yeah.
So we lost an hour?
We lost some instant coffee as well.
Oh, you lost coffee, huh?
Not mine though. It's your mom's.
Oh, sorry, Mom. Okay, another busy day today. I'm gonna do my room. I don't know why it's dark. Gotta figure it out. But I'll be working on my room today. Pretty much. I don't know. I'll see what I have on my planner. Oh, I think I need to compose myself. We're having chili beans today. Oh, last night, after we were finished doing our, everybody showered and everything, we saw Land of the Lost with, well, what's his name? Ferrell?
Yeah, Will Ferrell.
Will Ferrell. Oh my God, I was laughing my butt off. I love that. I had seen it already, but I love that movie. And then we went straight to bed. It was it. We were done. I had popcorn, guys. I did. Anyways, okay. They have Yum Yum donuts here. But I'm gonna make eggs and pancakes. I don't want that. The pancakes that I have are the protein ones, so a little bit healthier. Okay, guys. Let's see what the day's adventures bring. I'll come back and I'll pull out the planner and everything. Okay. Alright guys, I'm just going to sit here edit for an hour. And I wasn't able to edit last night or early this morning because I didn't have any more room. And I keep deleting things, so my husband had to look at it and see what is not being deleted because I've been trashing things and excuse me, it's a big computer, it shouldn't be full. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit. Today is, like I said, the 11th, and I'm editing, what am I editing? The 4th. I'm really behind. And today we have to get big stuff done, like changing out my daughter's ceiling fan because we put in the ceiling fan, but we saved the cover, the light cover, so he's doing that. And just the shed still has to go through. He has to go through the shed, the backyard. I mean, and then on Sunday, the following Sunday, which would be technically the last, because we get the keys on the 19th, so on the 18th, which is Sunday, I want to just really clean up the house, you know. But I'm cleaning as I'm going, like deep cleaning. You know, the house is not in bad shape at all. It's pretty good, actually. I'm so sore, guys. I am so sore. My arms are sore. I'm trying not to bend with my back, you know what I mean? Like pick things up. I'm trying to use my thighs. So I'm bending the knees and pulling up with the thighs because my back, I'm really being lazy and not lifting things properly, and my back is starting to feel the effects of it. So I'm really trying to focus on lifting things right. Anyways, let me go ahead and edit for an hour and I'll be right back. What's going on over here?
Putting back up the light fixture that was here before.
So your fan is coming down. Oh, okay. And where'd you put the ceiling fan that was there?
In my van.
Okay. You ready for the move, Savannah? Let me show you what she does all day, right here. You know why you're like that? Do you want me to give you the biggest...
Oh, I know what she's
You want me to tell you why you're like that?
Sugar is the devil.
Sugar's the devil. You had them donuts, and now you have a sugar plummeting.
Sugar drop.
You have a sore throat?
Yes, it's from the sugar. Can you hit that switch? The switch turns on?
Sure.
Do you want this? Do you want to leave it there or take it? Take it.
I want to.
Ooh, that don't work. That's not good.
That don't work. Tell me when to turn it off. Yeah. Savannah's getting sick too. Chilo, you getting sick? Chilo? Chilo, you getting sick, buddy?
Ay, papi.
Do you have a light bulb somewhere?
I packed them. Let's go see what my son's room looks like. Hayden, can I come in? Oh my God, did you hear that? Echo! Hello! Hello!
What's up, Ma?
Just see your room.
It's not good to see it now, but
No, Dad said to come check out your room. Oh, you put the light back up. Okay. You know what? I would put that in the other bar to that one is down there on the floor. I could that bar.
Yeah.
And then like put that one and that one facing together, maybe, and tape it a little bit, just little tapes, not like. Whoosh.
Okay.
And Dad's taking that down today. That.
What? This?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Oh,
He
okay.
said he was gonna do it yesterday.
All right. And then over here, my daughter's room, her light switch or her light fixture went back up. That was originally here at the house. So we just put them back up. I hear an echo in here, huh? It's starting to sound.
Right down. That was record time. That was like 10 minutes of light.
How you feeling, honey?
Sick.
Sick? Do you think dancing in the rain yesterday did it?
No.
No.
Oh no. It was out there at the baseball game.
It was cold, huh?
Yeah, she's like, I'm cold. I told you to take a jacket. She took a jacket. She took a sweater.
You gotta take a blanket, huh?
Mhm.
Yeah.
That lady asked you if you wanted a blanket.
I need these, and I need the Nike ones with the gray with the neon. I don't need any of my boots. I don't need any of my Chucks. So just these and these. Move, Chulo. Come on, guy. These, those, and then for like just slip-on shoes. Should I do these?
No, those are ugly.
Those are pretty. What do you mean these are ugly?
If they're slip-on shoes, honey, where are you going that you're wearing pink?
I wore pink the other day when I went to go get my rook. And you didn't like my pink shoes?
It worked with that, but I'm talking about...
You want my orange shoes?
No, I like these. Let's do the cheetah.
You want my cheetah shoes?
No, whatever.
I don't know. No, that's it.
What's up with the ones you got on?
Yeah. Well, these are slippers.
Oh, slipper it up.
Oh, righty. And revisiting on the purses. Those are getting finally packed up.
Do these have to be upright, or does it matter?
It doesn't matter. Just, yeah, maybe fold it. I'm looking through my planner. I got my videos up. Yay! I'm doing pretty good with that. I answered some comments. Okay, what I have on the agenda for today, which is the 11th, is I gotta clean the bathtub, so I'm gonna go do that right now. Washing my whites, which are already on. Packing up the shoes, which are done. Purses are not packed yet. Lashes and nail stuff for my makeup, maybe. Makeup and under the sink, bathroom sink. Oh, I am dreading this because I have so many things like backups of backups, and it's organized. Thankfully it is organized, but I just don't feel like packing it. Okay, so that's what's on the agenda. So for right now, I'm gonna go clean the bathtubs, get a little bit more decent, and then start packing my purses and underneath the sink, and maybe some of my makeup. I don't know. We'll see. It is we're losing some. We lost an hour,
You didn't
so.
lose anything. You gained it. Be bright and sunny out there.
But
That's not an excuse.
we lost an hour.
That's not an excuse.
It's 12:15. Okay, got the shower done. Hubby took out that cabinet that was here, and the shower wasn't too bad. I mean, I had already pretty much cleaned it before, but that is done. I'm gonna pack that up, and then I'll do another quick clean on it right before we leave. Hubby's gonna take the shower head and replace it back with the one that came. We're gonna take this shelf down, and I'm gonna pack all this stuff. But I wanted to show you something really, really quickly. Yesterday, I meant to show you guys yesterday, I got this package. I know this is makeup, and a good friend of mine that I met here on YouTube, basically we started YouTube, I believe at the same time. I believe we did, like in 2012, and she no longer makes video either. I'm telling you, a lot of people that I started, when I started YouTube, you know, there was a lot of people that I sort of watched and things like that, and we communicated. Well, they don't make YouTube anymore. I mean, really, there's really hardly anybody from when I started making them. But anyway, excuse me, the people that I know, obviously, or that I followed. But anyway, she messaged me through Instagram. We keep in touch through Instagram and things like that. And she said that she wanted to send me her makeup, and she was going to part with some of it, and she gave it to me, and I was really, really touched that she did that. I don't think I'm going to open it. I'm dying to open it, but today I think I'm going to box up some of my makeup. So I think once I'm settled in and everything, I'm going to go ahead and open it with you guys and share what she sent me. She did request some looks, she said, with her makeup. So that's one thing I'm going to do when I get it all settled in, so Becky, if you're watching, thank you so much for thinking of me and sending me your makeup. And I really, really, really appreciate it a lot. I really do. Okay, so let's get back to work. Okay, so we are taking my makeup table, or my makeup mirror, and my makeup light out. The reason why is because my husband has to patch up all the holes, and he's going to go around and do that now, so he doesn't have to worry about that later. So yep. So he took the cabinet out of here, so see those big old holes he has to patch up. I'm running on empty. It's 4 o'clock, and I wanted to just give you an update, progress. I got this whole thing filled up here. Bathroom stuff in there. I got a box over here of some my jewelry, backup makeups, and things like that. In this box over here, I got all the sort of also backup makeup products and things like that. And I still need to work on the top of the bathroom sink. I haven't touched my makeup, not really, just what was already in the little containers. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, I'll show you the backyard. They went through the shed. There's a big shed in the backyard, and they went through all of that, I think. I know they were going through it, but let's see. I really am like pushing myself today. Let me show you. They picked up all the stuff, decorations. They threw a lot of them away because they were all faded out and everything else. There's my dog, my son out there getting the hammock. How's it going, guy? What's the update? No update?
Interview me.
Interview you. Let me go see real quick what's going on over here. Let's see. Oh, is the shed completely done?
Yeah.
Completely? Really? Let's go. I spy it. That's all trash over there. It's all trash. Let's see. Oh, there's still stuff in here.
Not much.
Let's see. Well, that's a lot, though.
It's
Whoa!
Most of the stuff that we haven't moved is stuff we're gonna have to move into the actual, like...
Place. Oh, those are my outside stuff. My light. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna have to dust that sucker out.
Get out! Hey!
Ooh! Oh.
Because you can get splinters.
And then that's all my car. Oh, okay. So this is outside kind of stuff, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay.
It's all stuff that you have to take in individually.
Right. Ooh, okay. Good deal.
Can you tell Dad I can't get down that hammock?
Yeah.
He'll have to do it.
Okay. All right, guys. My husband wanted to finish by 5. And I agree. So we got an hour. And I agree. I'm so done. I'm I really am. But, yeah. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. It's 5:30. I'm showered and tired. But I'm gonna go ahead and end my vlog here. Everything got really, got really good. Oh my god, I can't even talk. I got good progress. I did good progress. I still can't talk. I did good progress. Everything down there is done. Medicine cabinet's done. Everything up here is what we'll need. This box is ready to go out. This box over here is just what I'm going to be filling up for tomorrow. The bed is pretty much cleared off. My husband wanted to be done by 7, before 7 actually. I think he had like a goal around 5, and it's 5:30 now, so we did pretty good. We did pretty good. He's making chili beans right now. We're going to eat. But anyways, that's it, guys. That's it for today. Very, 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 very productive day. Very productive day. I don't know if I told you, but we get the keys on the 19th, which is on a Monday, and we're just going to move my eBay stuff that evening, and then we're going to just slowly, of that week of the 19th, we're just going to slowly take things over there, and then I believe it's on a Friday and Saturday of that week we'll take the U-Haul, so we'll take the big stuff. So it's really good to get it all packed, all done, so that this way come the 19th when we get the keys, we could just take that whole week to move the boxes, the little boxes and boxes, you know what I mean? So this way on the day of the move, the final move, they're just dealing with furniture. I think that's going to work out so much better. And my landlord here gave me till the 2nd if we wanted to. So that was really, really cool of her. I mean, yeah. Okay, guys, that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow on Monday. Thank you so much for spending your day with me in my little world. Thank you so, so much. I really, really appreciate it. All right, my friends. I'm going to go edit too a little bit tonight. All right.